Hi, Bumblebees! It is Monday, which means it's a brand new week, which means we're learning about something brand new. This week, we are going to learn about hibernation. Can you see that really big word? Hibernation. Nice job, friends. So this week, we're going to explore the question, what is hibernation? So I want you to take a moment and think about that. Do you know what it means? Hibernation? That's such a big word. Take a moment to think about it and brainstorm. What does the word hibernation mean? So, the word hibernation means that a certain animals or certain plants go to sleep during the winter cold months, and they don't wake up until the springtime. So today we're going to explore the question, what is hibernation, by reading this story. Take a look at the cover. What do you see on the cover of today's story? What's this? This is a bear, and what is he doing? What do you notice about his eyes? They're closed. Give me a thumbs up or a thumbs down. Do you think he's sleeping? I don't know. We're gonna have to find out. So today's story is called Bear Snores On. When do you snore? When you go to sleep. So do you think that the bear might be in hibernation? Let's find out. Bear snores on. In a cave in the woods, in his deep dark lair, through the long cold winter, sleeps a great brown bear. So the bear is in hibernation. He's sleeping for the whole winter months. Can you say hibernation? That's a big word. Cuddled in a heap with his eyes shut tight, he sleeps through the day. He sleeps through the night. So when you're hibernating, do you sleep all day and all night long? Yes, you do. The cold winds howl and the night sounds growl, but the bear snores on. Bumblebees, there's lots of repetition in this story, which means that the author writes the same words. So every time it says, the bear snores on, maybe you could help me read that part. An itty-bitty mouse, pitter-patter, tiptoe, creep-crawls through the cave from the fluff, cold snow. Mouse squeaks, too damp, too dank, too dark, so he lights tweed twigs with a small, hot spark. The coals tip, pop, and the wind doesn't stop, but the bear snores on. Can you pretend like you're the strong wind? Two glowing eyes sneak peek in the den. Mouse cries, "Who's there?" And Hare pops in. "Ho, Mouse," says Hare. "Long time no see." So they pop white corn and they brew black tea. A hare is a fancy word for a bunny. Mouse sips wee slurps. Hare burps big burps. But the bear snores on. A badger scuttles by, sniffs at the air. "I smell yummy yums. Perhaps we could share." "I've brought honey nuts," Badger says with a grin. "Let's divvy them up, cozy down, and dig in." Do you think that's a good choice that they're sharing? Yeah, that's a friendly thing to do. At home, you might share with your family members, right? And they nibble and they munch with a chew, chomp, crunch. Can you make a crunch noise? Crunch. But the bear snores on. A gopher and a mole tunnel up through the floor. Then a wren and a raven flutter through the door. Mole mutters, "What a night! What a storm!" twitters Wren. And everybody clutters in the great bear's den. Do you think they're going to wake him up? They tweet and they twitter, they chat and they chitter, but the bear snores on. In a cave in the woods, a slumbering bear sleeps through the party in his very own lair. Hare stokes the fire. Mouse seasons stew. Then a small pepper flake makes the bear. What's gonna happen? whole crowd freezes. What happened? The bear woke up. The pepper tickled his nose. And the bear wakes up. Bear growls and he snarls. Bear roars and he rumbles. Bear jumps and he stomps. Bear growls and he grumbles. How do you think the bear is feeling? They woke him up from his hibernation. How's he feeling? You've snuck in my lair and you've had all this fun. But me, I was sleeping and I've had none. And he whimpers and moans. He wails and he groans. And the bear blubbers on. How's he feeling? Pretty sad. Mouse squeaks, don't fret, don't fuss. Look, see? We could pop more corn. We could brew more tea. Is the mouse being a good friend? Yeah, she's cheering him up. Bear gulps, bear gobbles. He sighs with delight. Then he spins tails through the blustery night. When the sun peeks up on a crisp, clear dawn, Bear can't sleep. How's he feeling now? Happy. Can you show me a happy face? But his friends snore on. The end. I hope you enjoyed this story, bumblebees. So this week we are going to explore the question, what is hibernation, all week long? And tomorrow we're going to take a picture walk of this story and we're going to learn about who hibernates. I hope you enjoyed this, bumblebees. Bye.